Exercise 8.4, question number 5 in that Roman number 6. So given question is square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. This is one type of very important model. Whenever you identify like this square root, immediately we have to do the rationalize the denominator. So that take LHS root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing factor of denominator, if you have here 1 minus sin a, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Square root is full, we have to keep the square root. Now square root of, it is in the form of numerator 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, we can write as 1 plus sin a whole square, and the denominator we can write here, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, we can write here a square minus b square. So now root of 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin square a, we can write here, we have the identity sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. From this, cos square a equals to 1 minus sin square a. So instead of 1 minus sin square a place, we can replace with the cos square a. So write here cos square a. Now numerator we have square and denominator also we are having square. So write here 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square. Now square and root both get cancelled. We can write here 1 plus sin a by cos a. Now separate the denominators. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos is secant a plus sin by cos is tan a. Therefore, root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equals to secant a plus tan a. Question number 7. LHS. So take in the place of numerator as sin theta common. Sin theta if you take outside here 1 minus, we can write 2 sin square theta by denominator if you take cos theta as common 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you observe here, right hand side we have to prove tan theta. So already we got the answer sin theta by cos theta. That means these two terms are going to be cancelled. So either in the place of numerator or denominator, sin can be converted in terms of cos. So that sin theta into 1 minus 2 into sin square theta place sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of the sin square theta place, replace with 1 minus cos square theta. So 2 into 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now simplify sin theta into multiply with 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now sin theta into 2 cos square theta you write as first term, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Both get cancelled. Leftover terms sin by cos that equals to tan theta. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Fifth Roman question number 8. Sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a we have to prove. So take LHS. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, and this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. First expand in terms of a plus b whole square. So that sin square a plus 2 into sin a into cosecant a plus cosecant square a plus cos a plus secant a whole square, also cos square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a plus secant square a. So if you see here, we have pairs. Sin is the reciprocal of cosecant. Sin a, cosecant a get cancelled. Similarly, cos is the reciprocal of secant. Cos a, secant a get cancelled. Now leftover terms we write here. We have leftover terms sin square a plus 2 cosecant square a plus cos square a plus 2 plus secant square a. First, whatever the numericals we are having here, 2 and 2, 2 plus 2, we will get here 4 plus, right here sin square a plus cos square a as one group, sin square a plus cos square a, leftover cosecant square a plus secant square a. Now here I can write here, this is 4 plus this part we will get as 1, since it is an identity. Sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1 plus, again here in the question they asked as a tan square a and cot square a, we have the terms cosecant square a and secant square a. Use the identities. We have the identities here. Cosecant square a minus cot square a equals to 1. From this, cosecant square a equals to 1 plus cot square a we can write. Similarly, secant square a minus tan square a equals to 1 and secant square a equals to 1 plus tan square a. So that instead of this cosecant square a place, replace with 1 plus cot square a. So that 1 plus cot square a and secant square a place, replace with 1 plus tan square a. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. So this is LHS equals to RHS. Fifth Roman question number 9. LHS is cosecant a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a. So cosecant a place we can write as 1 by sin a minus sin a into secant a place we can write as 1 by cos a minus cos a. Now find the LCM. Denominator nothing is mentioned, so that consider as 1. So sin a is the LCM, 1 minus sin square a into, here the LCM is cos a, 1 minus cos square a. Now directly identity we can use here, 1 minus sin square a we can write as cos square a by sin a into 1 minus cos square a we can write here sin square a by cos a. Just one more step here, cos square a means we can write here cos a into cos a by sin a into sin square a means we can write sin a into sin a by cos a. Now cos a get cancelled, sin a get cancelled, cos a into sin a. Next continue here, RHS you take it, RHS part 1 by, instead of tan place, write here sin a by cos a plus cot a plus, replace with cos A by sin A. That equals to 1 by LCM is cos A into sin A, and do the cross multiplication. Sin square A plus cos square A. Now denominator is in the form of a fraction. So reciprocal of the fraction we can write here. Sin A into cos A by sin square A plus cos square A value is 1. So that equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS. Question number 10. We have to prove here two cases. We have 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equals to, we have to prove tan square A, and 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. So first you take this part and prove as tan square A, and take second part, this one, and prove as tan square A. So first I am taking here 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot is the reciprocal of tan, so that I am writing here 1 plus tan square A. So 1 plus tan square A by, find the LCM of the denominators. We can write here tan square A. Denominator nothing is mentioned, so tan will come to here, tan square A plus 1. Now we can write here 1 plus tan square A into reciprocal of this fraction, we can write as tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Now these both get cancelled, and we final answer is tan square A. Now we can take here second part, you take it in this 1 minus tan A by 1 minus, again cot A place, replace with 1 by tan A whole square. Now separate the terms, 1 minus tan A whole square by denominator, find the LCM tan A, and we can write this one as tan A minus 1 whole square. So now numerator 1 minus tan A whole square into reciprocal of this fraction, we can write here tan square A by tan A minus 1 whole square or 1 minus tan A whole square. We get the same result, so that we can write this one as 1 minus tan A whole square. Both get cancelled. Answer is tan square A. Therefore 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A.